Hello lovely people, welcome back to Quick Guide. In today's video, I am going to show you how can you delete your Snapchat account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Step 1. Open your Snapchat and go to Profile. Firstly, you need to open your Snapchat app, and after opening the Snapchat app, you can see this profile button here. You just simply have to tap into that. Step 2. Go to Settings and find Delete Account. Now you just simply have to go to your settings by tapping this gear button into the top right corner. But even after going to the settings and searching everywhere, we can't find the direct delete option into the settings. Step 3. Click to I need help. Now after coming to the settings and searching everywhere, you can't find delete option anywhere because Snapchat doesn't give option to directly delete your account. So now you have to click into this I need help button below the support. Step 4. Click to manage my account. After coming to the I need help section and waiting for a while, you can see this manage my account option here. You just simply have to tap into that, and after tapping there, click to delete or reactivate my account option. Then you just simply have to select how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account here. Step 5. Go to Snapchat account portal. Now you just simply have to click into this Snapchat account portal for Android option into here. It will lead you to the Snapchat account portal. You have to log in your Snapchat account in there. Step 6. Log in your Snapchat account in your Snapchat portal. Now you just simply have to enter your email into this box and click to next. And after that, enter your password into this box given here and click to next. It will log your account into the Snapchat account portal. Step 7. Delete the account. Now after logging to the Snapchat account portal, you can see this delete my account option here. You just simply have to click into that. And after clicking there, it will take a short processing and this tab will open. You just simply have to enter your password into the given box here and click to continue. And after completing this process, your account will be deactivated for 30 days, and after the 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching.